G'day viewers. After spending 10 magnificent days in Coron, El Nido and Port Barton in Palawan, Philippines, we had 100. The best one. Is it the blue bikini? Is it the black bikini? Is it the pink bikini? Is it the black bikini top with the black and white bottoms, or is it the pink one-piece bikini? Then we are trying to establish the best background. Is it snorkeling, drone footage, the limestone cliffs, poolside, or on the white sandy beaches of Palawan? G'day viewers. If you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe. Then we have Annie in the blue bikini still at Makinet Hot Springs in Coron, which are the only hot springs in the whole of the Philippines. The little spas on either end are about 40 degrees, and the main pool area is about 36 degrees. Now we have Annie in her black bikini whilst we are on our ultimate island hopping tour of Coron, which is the most popular tour there. This is a place called Canyon Lake, which is a freshwater lake up amongst the limestone cliffs. Absolutely spectacular. Then we move on to the next place on our island hopping tour, and that's going to be to Seven Commandos Island. Here we have Annie in her pink bikini for the next series of photos. The initial ones are at Seven Commandos Island, which was fantastic because we had the whole beach to ourselves, and so we got some good drone footage, some good bikini shots. Then we went to Shimazu Island at El Nido, and as you can see, it's absolutely spectacular. Crystal clear water, and you can see the very sheer limestone cliffs. The snorkeling there was quite good. The water was turquoise, and the rock formation is spectacular. After that, we had some more snorkeling, and then Annie decided to climb a few of these rocks because she's got the mountain girl background, and it made me very nervous when she's climbing up some of those big rocks and pointing up to the sky and up to the rocks. Then we got not very hot, so we went out for another snorkel, and the good thing about the snorkeling is Annie can barely swim, so to make the effort and get out and snorkel is a great thing. And you can see how lovely the boat is that we called out there. It's called Christine, so everything was beautiful. Here we are at the Tag Resort at Coron, and Annie's in her black bikini top and black and white bikini bottom, and poolside, which was a spectacular pool. She's hanging out on the deck chairs, relaxing and soaking up the sun, which was pretty amazing because it was in the middle of a typhoon, so we didn't get to see too much sun. Here we are at Port Barton, which has lots of turtles and fantastic. Goes out and has a swim and a walk around the sandbar there. We didn't see too many starfish this particular day, but still had a fantastic day out. G'day viewers, this is Ando&Annie. If you found this video entertaining and helpful, please like and subscribe.
Living the dream.